Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Webtech Tutorial. In this video, we're gonna look at how you can add Bible app widget on your Android device. So if this sounds helpful to you, then watch this video till the end and subscribe to our channel by hitting that subscribe button. Also turn on the notifications because we upload similar videos like this regularly. So in order to not miss videos, make sure that you are notified. So to add a Bible widget on your Android device, you can tap and hold on your screen, and from there you can see an option for widget. Now if you scroll down and search for the Bible app, you can see there is an option to add the widget for the Bible app. You can choose any of these options, which you can simply tap and hold the widget and then bring it on your screen. Now the widget has been added to your screen. Now to open it, you can simply tap it and it will be quickly opened. So that's how you can add Bible app widgets to your Android device. I hope you guys like this video. If you did, give this video a thumbs up, and we'll be back soon with more content such like this.